What do search engines want? What do they want from you, a business owner? What do they want from you who has a website and who's trying to rank his site on page 1? Well, they want high quality, relevant, trusted content written for your website's visitors, your prospects, not for search engines. See, they want to make sure that the content you have on the landing pages of your site makes sense. When a visitor comes to your website, they appreciate the content. It's written for them. It helps them. Maybe it answers their objections. Maybe it answers their questions. Maybe they're looking for some solution. And the content in that case should give them answers to their problems. What businesses do is they use black hat strategies in trying to get their site on page 1 of, let's say, search engines or Google. They would put too many keywords on a landing page. You don't need to do that. No keyword stuffing. You don't want to have hidden content on your website, on your landing pages, to increase its rankings. And by hidden content, I mean content that is only visible to search engines, which can be only indexed by search engines. Like people would write something in white font on a white background, which humans can't read, but search engines can index. You don't want to do that. You don't want duplicate content on your website. You don't want to create 4, 5, 6 pages about the same service. You don't want to use article spinning. You don't want to use link farms. You don't want to use anything that's against their guidelines. That's against search engines guidelines. What you really want is something that is true, that can be trusted, and that is written for your prospects. That also increases conversion rates, by the way. It's not just for SEO, it's also for conversions. I have a long background with conversions. So I always tell my clients, you want to make sure your site that you are writing for is not just for SEO, but also conversions at the same time. So again, very important to have high quality, relevant, trusted content for your visitors, for your prospects, and not for search engines.